Alright, we out here in the woods. This is Grant County, Kentucky. This is the Corey B. Craft Show. We've been popping these cans all day long. We're testing out this AR15 Magpul edition. As you can see, it's got almost everything on it. We're testing it out. We're about to blow some stuff up. We got this goofball, Brian Wallace. He's over here filming this. We're about to make it hot.
Hillbilly style.
Goofball, fool. Yeah, no.
Bobby, come on.
Alright, I'm getting as close as I can. Oh.
We got one shot per can, so if we miss, it's all on film. We're probably going to miss because Brian Wallace done screwed the scope up.
Bull crap. Don't blame this on me.
Oh.
Hit one.
Yeah.
That's four.
Alright,
Okay,
cut it.
there's I have my fit.
Did you cut it off already?